Good morning everyone, welcome to another episode of rebuilding my MK5 GTI. So in the last episode we took care of some damage that's at the front here. We got this radiator support fixed and also this bracket that's brand new back mounted on. So in this episode I want to take care of everything to the point where I can just put the front bumper back on and the right side wing back on, because obviously I need the right side wing to put the bumper on. I did actually end up buying a front bumper recently, so I just need the right side wing with the bracket and then I can put on the front bumper as well. So as you just saw, we have to fix that right side front sill. We have to unbend the metal and paint it again so it doesn't rust before I put on the bumper, and also put on the windscreen washer and just fix up a couple of other things. So as I said, in the next video we can just put the front bumper and the right side wing back on, and that's going to be the car basically fixed and drivable. That wasn't supposed to happen. I hope I didn't hit the camera. I wanna waste some time with you, my love. It's been a while, I admit my broken heart. I'm obsessed with your love. This can go in the bin now, I guess. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this part of the car is done. It's ready to put on the front bumper and the side wing. We just have to take care of the front sill, which is going to be the next thing we are going to be doing. The windscreen washer reservoir is back on and the horn is back on as well. So without wasting any time, let's take care of the right side sill. So as you can see here, we have some damage, which is going to be easy to fix. It's just to unbend this bracket mainly, straighten out this one. Then I'm going to clean it all up and wire brush it, and then probably paint over it so it doesn't rust again. Obviously I want to do this before I put on the fender, because the fender does sit right here in these two holes. So once I do that, it's going to cover up the area and I won't be able to fix it after. You're a demon in my mind that I'm thinking of. DMP on a stereo. You're a demon in my mind that I'm thinking of. DMP on a stereo. I wanna waste some time with you, my love. It's been a while. So as you can probably see, we have this sill that's actually starting to look like it used to look before. We still have to grind it off and then paint it once I fix it up a bit more. When I get the right side wing, I'm gonna put it on and see if it fits up nicely. If it's gonna fit up with these holes and everything fits on here, I'm gonna grind it off and then paint it after, because there's no point of painting it now and then finding out that the holes don't fit up, which they probably most likely will, but I just want to make sure that they fit up nicely before I start painting everything. So I'm probably gonna do some more work with this and then leave it the way it is until I get that right side wing, and then when I know everything fits up nicely, I'm gonna paint everything and then put the wing back on. Okay, so I just grinded the rust off the side sill. I'll just show you quickly. This is what it looks like now. I grinded some rust off so it doesn't rust even more, even the inside as well. Whenever I buy the side wing, I'm gonna mount it up and make sure it all fits. Then I'll grind it again, clean it up, and then once I clean it up, I'm gonna quickly spray it, make sure it's all good and it doesn't rust anymore. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. I've done a couple of things just to get the car ready for the side wing and the bumper. I'm going to do some cleaning up and then that's probably going to be the end of the video. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe. Check out my other videos of this GTI series or any other videos on my channel. Maybe you'll like them, because I do try to put out at least one video a week, usually on Sunday. So if you want to keep an eye out for that, hit the bell notifications beside the subscribe button as well, so you are notified whenever I upload next time. If you want to be up to date on anything I do with the GTI or anything else in my life, you can follow my Instagram as well. I do some photography and videography as well, some nice reels and photos. So if you want to check that out, go ahead. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen here and also in the description. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.
I wanna waste some time with you, my love. It's been a while, I admit my broken heart. I'm obsessed with your laugh right from the start. You made me weak at the knees just with your time. On your thigh, DP on the stereo. Now it's Frank gang, we've got a fucking undercoat. Cruising around the city in my own car. You're the demon in my mind that I'm thinking of. You're the demon in my mind that I'm thinking of. DMB